now I'm done with calibration and on the field, as you can see, it's like 4 hectares. I cultivated it like 2 days ago or something. It started to turn green, so I needed to do it. And I am really excited because this is first time for me to put some seeds on the ground. So let's see how it's going to be. I hope it's going to be very, very fine, because I'm very disappointed if it's not. Now this is the field that has been done for this year. I hope I don't need to do anything more, like till fall, and after that it's time to make some plans for next year. This clogging problem in there, you can see some hills. It was quite nasty, but only in a few places, so it wasn't that big problem. Next day, like tomorrow, I am going to on another field that is a lot smaller, like 4 times smaller, only 1 hectare. And yeah, it took me like 4 hours on this field today. So thank you for watching. See you next time.